Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to study one problem with respect to the trigonometric identities. Here you can see three trigonometric identities are given and we are going to take help of these three trigonometric identities to solve the problems like this. So let's move towards the first problem based on the trigonometric identities. The question is given as if sine theta is equal to 7 upon 25, then find the values of cos theta and tan theta. See friends, we have given already the value of sine theta. So whenever we are solving the problems with respect to trigonometric identities, sine is given. So just look or search into the identities ki which identity is having a sine in it. Here is the first identity where sine is included. So we are going to use the first identity to solve this problem. So let's move on. Whatever is given in this problem, sine theta, we will write that first equal to 7 upon 25. So let's use the first trigonometric identity. We will write it in exam sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now we are having the value of sine theta, so simply we will just substitute that value 7 upon 25 square plus cos square theta equal to 1. We have just substituted the value of sine theta in this identity. Nothing has been done apart from this. Now we need to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. First of all, we will find the value of cos theta and then we will find the value of tan theta. For finding the value of cos theta, let's keep this cos square theta on left hand side itself and let's take this 7 by 25 to right hand side. So it will be cos square theta equal to 1 minus, because we are changing this side, so its sign will also be changed from plus to minus. That's why minus sign is taken over here. 7 upon 25 square. Further, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus, let's take the square. 7 square is 49 and square of 25 is 625. For further solving, let's continue with this. Cos square theta is equal to, now pay attention, 625 minus 49 upon 625. Simple subtraction we will perform over here. So cos square theta is equal to 625 minus 49. The answer will be coming out as 576 upon 625. See, for solving these kind of problems, squares of numbers from 1 to 30, they should be by-hearted very properly. So now taking the square roots on both the sides, so we will write it over here precisely. Taking square root on both sides. Each and everything should be precisely mentioned. Okay. So let's take a square root. Square root of cos square theta will be cos theta. Cos theta equal to square root of 576. It is 24 and square root of 625 is 25. So by this way we have found the first trigonometric ratios value, that is value of cos theta, which is 24 by 25. We have find the value of cos theta. Now we will find the value of tan theta similarly. So I am just roughing this side of the problem. Now we got value of cos theta. Already we have value of sin theta, which is 7 upon 25. To find the value of tan theta, we will use simple formula, which is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. we will simply substitute the value in this formula. Value of sine theta is 7 upon 25 upon value of cos theta is 24 upon 25. So this will be 7 upon 25 multiplied by 25 upon 24. This 25 will get cancelled and our answer will be 7 upon 24, which is the value of tan theta. So by this way we have found the values of cos theta and tan theta from this sin theta value by using this first trigonometric identity. I hope this problem is pretty clear to you. This problem was very simple. Thank you.